In 2023, head on over to the settings cogwheel icon. Under General, go to Power Options. You've got two choices here. I recommend this one, the shutdown energy saving. The console shuts down. However, it does support automatic updates of console and games, supports remote features while the console is on, cuts power use by over 20 times while off. Or you can select sleep, which does just that. The console sleeps instead of actually shutting down. But the console uses more power as a result. Supports waking the console remotely, and the console starts up faster. Over here, though, you can customize your power options. Turn off after however long you want, or have it so it never shuts off. Same thing in regards to media, music or videos. Keep my console up to date. Keep my games and apps up to date so that you can download your games and all that stuff and have them updating in the background. What's interesting about these features is regardless of whether or not you choose energy saving or sleep, let's switch on over to this one. If you go to customize the power options, you still have that same option to have your console and your games stay up to date and download in the background. But me personally, not because I care about being electricity efficient, it's more a thing of the less power my console uses up, I kind of feel like it may help the longevity of it. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's just a placebo effect. I prefer energy savings. And there you have it. So as always, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs down. Or a thumbs up, rather. It does greatly help support the channel with the algorithm. If you didn't like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. And I'll make sure you're put to sleep. That was cringy. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, naturally, that would be great. But if not, whatever. Thanks for stopping by anyways. Take care, and maybe I'll see some of you in the next one. Bye for now.